Before we get started, this is what I want you to do. I want you to turn off all social media notifications. Keep your phones on silent or DND so you don't get distracted. Then, if you are in a busy environment, try to isolate yourself, stop gisting or discussing with people. And at the end of this session, you are going to learn how copy trading works and its benefits, how to select the right trader to copy. This is very important. The best risk management techniques for you to apply when you are copying trades, then also copy trading mistakes and how to avoid them. If this is the first time of you meeting me and seeing this handsome face, my name is Anegita Sanga. I am the head of trading desk at A Plus Trading Hub. I've been in the trading space for about 7 years now, and I think I am the right guy in this copy trading journey you're about to start. So if you are new to trading, I would love to know in the chats. If you are new to trading, I would love to know. Just type Forex trading in the chat if you are new to trading. Now, this is going to guide me, tailor my message going forward tonight, right? This is going to guide me, tailor my message to you today. So if you are new to trading, just type Forex trading in chats. So let's talk about copy trading. And copy trading allows you to directly copy the trades opened and managed by expert trader. It is one of the easiest way for you to copy another trader's trades and also make money based off their knowledge. And how it is done is very simple. You need to create an account with a particular broker, with any broker, then connect your trading account to the trader's account, and that is just it. So with that, you will be able to make money out from their experience, from their knowledge in trading. So this is simply how copy trading works. We are just mirroring the trades. You don't need to be online to copy the trades. Once the account is properly set up, you are good to go. Now, if I don't tell you about the risks involved with copy trading, that means I'm going to be lying to you. So just like any trading in the financial market involves putting some of your capital at risk, it is the same thing with copy trading. So if you copy the wrong trader, or if you copy the right trader and you are using the wrong settings, you will still lose money with copy trading. Now, let's talk about why you should consider copy trading. The very first one is because it is easily accessed. You can do this with your phone. You don't need a laptop, just your Android phone. For you to join this webinar today, that means you have a smartphone, and that is enough for you to start. And you can start with a small amount. You can copy trade even with $20. I'm not saying you should copy trade with $20, but I'm trying to let you understand that you can copy trade even with $20, $10, $50, $100, $200, 1,000, like any amount at all. The entry, it has a low entry capital. Then you can learn from the profitable traders too by looking at how the traders, the master traders or the leaders are taking their trades. You can learn from whatever they are doing, and it gives you more free time to do the things you love, more times to focus on your business and other side hustles, and also you're in control of all your funds. There is safety in copy trading. This is different from forex investment, where you hand over your money to a trade to maybe a company to trade for you. So with copy trading, the money stays within your domain. It stays inside your account. No one has access to that money except you. So you are in control of your funds, and it's fully transparent, and you can see your account growth in real time. So you can be looking at your own dashboard or your own MT4 or MT5 accounts, and you are seeing the trades running live. Okay, and with this, you won't have issues of like, for example, you give out your money to maybe an investment company, and they cook up a story and tell you, oh, we took a trade and we lost all the money. With copy trading, even if the trader loses the money, at least you see and know that it's for sure this trader lost the money, right? So what else? You can easily diversify with copy trading. So you can allocate your money to more than one trader. So let's say you have $1,000 to copy trade. So you can split it into three, right? You can say maybe trader A, you copy trader A with $200, you copy trader B with $300, you copy trader C with $500. So with this, you split your money, and these three traders have different trading strategies, different risk appetite. So there's the possibility of you losing the entire funds is very slim. So this is one of the strategies that you can use to make sure you protect your capital when you are involved with copy trading. And copy trading is suitable for all level of traders and investors aiming to diversify their portfolio. So no matter what you are doing in life, you can copy trades. Copy trade is not just for traders alone. So if you're a total novice to the financial market trading or forex trading, you can still copy trade. Now let's talk about how you can make money with copy trading. So there are basically two ways you can make money with copy trading. The very first one is that you can make money as a copy trader or as an investor. And this means that you don't, let's say for example, you don't want to be trading yourself. You just deposit money and let the profitable traders trade for you. And this is the first route. The second route is as an IB or as an affiliate. So let's say you have a community of people who wants to earn money online or wants to make an extra income. You can still make money by referring them to copy trading, right? Referring them to copy trading. So as they are trading on the platform, the broker gives you a little commission for bringing them to the platform. So this the second route on how you can make money with copy trading. I hope you are still following me. If you are following me, just type copy trading in the chats. Type copy trading in the chat. Okay, I can see wisdom copy trading. Who else is following me? Type copy trading. Emedion, I can see Emedion. Who else? I notice that you are raising your hands. Please, if you have questions towards the end of the session, the webinar, I'm going to give an opportunity to ask your questions. So just write your questions down somewhere. So let's talk about the key factors to choosing a winning master trader to copy. The very first thing is profitability. Before you copy any trader, you need to make sure they are profitable. You can't go and copy a trader that you haven't seen if they have been making money, let's say for 2 months or 3 months. So the duration of trading is very, very important. Personally, I would suggest, or I normally advise, that at least this trader should make money for at least 3 straight months, right? 3 straight months. Then before you can copy them. Then look at the number of copiers. How many people are copying their trade? They should have at least one or two people copying their trades. Okay. Then pay attention to the maximum risk and the drawdown. Now, the maximum risk is very, very important. Always make sure you are copying a trader that matches your risk appetite or risk tolerance. If you know you can't risk more than 20% of your money, please don't copy a trader that has a maximum risk exposure of 20%, okay, or more than 20%. So then also pay attention to the commission of the master trader. I've seen traders charge very ridiculous amount just to copy trades. Some of them have a fixed fee of, let's say, $100 monthly. Even if they don't make money for you, they are charging you $100. That is not cool. It's not reasonable. And some of them have a profit split of 50-50. So if they make $10 for you, they take $5 and you keep $5. I don't encourage this. It's not good, because if you should follow that path, at the end of the day, you won't be making enough money, compared to your risks, right? So the trader that is charging between, let's say, 10% to, let's say, 40% is still fair enough, right? Still fair enough. But most of the times I focus on traders that charges 10 to 30%. Anything more than 30%, I don't recommend them to people. Then let's look at the copy trading mistakes that can cost you like these are the mistakes that can make you lose your entire funds. The very first thing is not using the recommended capital. For every trader you copy, there's always a recommended capital. When we go over to the copy trading platform, we are going to see this, that each trader will tell you, oh, copy with so amount or copy with so amount we get. So if you copy with less than that, let's say you want to copy my trades, and I tell you copy with minimum $1,000. If you copy my trades with 200, there is a high probability, high chance that your account will go, like you lose your entire money. Because I'm recommending that 1,000 because of the strategy I'm using and my risk exposure, right? So always make sure you use the recommended capital. Then this is another reason why most clients or most copy traders lose money. Using a tight maximum risk or using a fixed loss size. You use a fixed loss size, just the same loss size on all your trades is very wrong. Or copying traders with high risk exposure. This is very bad. For tight maximum risk, let's say I recommended you should copy my trades using a setting of 50%, 50% maximum drawdown, but you decide to copy me and you are using 20% maximum drawdown, you're sure going to lose money. So these are the things you need to pay attention anytime you are copying trades on any copy trading platform, right? Any copy trading platform, pay attention to this. And not allowing your trades to run because of fear will make you lose money when you are doing copy trading. Then duplicating a particular trade, that is greed, will also make you lose money when copying trading. I've had experience with this greed. I've discussed this in so many of my copy trading presentation. Copying a trader because the particular trade is going on profits, then you decide to duplicate the trade. Like instead of having just one entry, you have 2 or 3 entries. At the end of the day, you are taking this trade at different price points and you may lose money if things go south. So I discourage you duplicating trades or not allowing trades to run. Then having a poor mindset is reasons why most people lose money with copy trading. Copy trading is not a Ponzi scheme; it's an investment channel. So you treat it as such, and always make sure you are copying traders that fit your investment goals. So you need to figure out what is your investment goals and copy only traders that matches your investment goals. This is the way. This is the only way to stay safe. So to start as a copier or as an investor, just all you need to do is create an account with the broker, search for a trader that matches your investment goal. You see I underline that with red, like with red. It's very, very important. They have to fit in your investment goals. Then you fund your trading account and you start copying. Accept losses if it happens and withdraw when you see profits. Now, anytime I talk about trading, whether it's copy trading or trading by yourself, I always emphasize on losses because losses is part of this trading game. There's no way you can avoid it totally. You can only manage the losses, but you try to make sure that at the end of the day, you make money if you copy the right trader. So if you want to start as an affiliate or as an IB, same thing is applicable here. You create an account with the broker, get your affiliate or referral link, promote your link and get people to use the copy trading app or platform. Then you get a commission from the broker. You can do this with any broker at all, not just with Market For You. That is the broker which I use. So I hope you have learned something new. If you have learned something new, just type Forex in the comments. Just type Forex in the comments if you have learned something new. Before we proceed, I just want to make sure that you are following through and I'm not just talking to myself and you're understanding what I'm saying. So if you have learned something new since the beginning till now, type Forex in the comments or in the chats. Forex, okay. Richie, Daniel, Fashola, okay. That is great. I'm also sorry, I'm rushing. I'm trying to make sure we don't stay longer than 30, 40 minutes on this session. For those of you that have been attending my webinars before, I try to make it very short and I go straight to the point and not beat around the bush. Let's get a bit practical. I've done the theory part. Let's go into the copy trading platform and see what's happening there. Okay, so first, my broker of choice is Market For You. So if you go to marketforyou.com, you can create, the first thing you need to do is create an account with them. This is a live web page, right? So this is not an image. So you go to, if you need a direct link to create an account, it's going to be dropped in the WhatsApp group, like inside the community. So the first thing you need to do is create an account. Hopefully, the internet speed is going to, you just went straight to login. Okay, let's do this. Let me log out. So to create an account is pretty easy. When you hit on that create an account, you need to input your email, your name, and your phone number. This is the 3 things you need. Then you click on create account. Then it's going to send you, sometimes it sends an OTP so that you verify your phone number. Then you do your KYC. What you need for KYC is your NIN. So if you input your NIN, and do the liveliness check, that stuff's OPay. That stuff we do with OPay, like liveliness check, or whenever you open an account with any of these mobile wallets, like Moneypoint, OPay, PalmPay, they do that kind of KYC. The same thing you do here. They need to verify that you are a real human being and you are not a fraudster. So that is it. So when you log into your account, you go to tap on the menu. When you tap on the menu, you see copy trading, tap on drop down, and you can go to leaders. So leaders is where you have leaders. This is where you are going to find all the traders to copy. So it's loading up. Let's see. Please confirm you are seeing another screen. Can you see another screen? Like, can you see the leaders? Just let me know in the chat. Can you see the leaders? Okay, medium, thank you. So I hope everyone can see the leaders. So here, this is where we have the leaders, and you can filter, you can search any trader to copy with the filter option there. You can input the amount you want to invest, the performance. Now, what I do is that I will just come here. I leave this amount open. I leave it blank. Where I pay more attention is the risks. I take off high risks. I don't like high risk traders. So I take off high risk. I'll click on apply filter. Then profile, commission, social, everything stays on the default. So this is the thing I do. Then let me just use this opportunity to reveal one of the traders I recommend to my to most of my community members. I'll open this guy. So you can see he has about 34 followers and he has done 400% in the last 11 months. I think that is the trader that did 71% for us 2 months ago. Which other trader? I'm going to highlight about 2 traders just to use and do that experiment of how to check the right trader to use. Let me look for the other guy. Open mention. Yeah, this guy too is one trader that have been delivering good results. Okay, let's work with that. So that is enough. So we don't take much time. So starting with this guy, this is how I do it, right? And this is the same thing. So when you come to overview, you see the percentage they have done in a year. Then pay attention to whatever they write here, like the description on their profile. Like this trader says minimum to copy him is 200, right? and it states that this is moderate risk and it's high return, but minimum capital should be 200. So if you copy with less than, please mute your mic. Please mute your mic. Mute your mic. Mute
I'm
yourself.
not saying that.
You're not seeing the screen.
Yes.
Anyone else not seeing my screen? I think it should be from your end because it's clear. Is there anyone else not seeing my screen? Maybe it's your internet. Igwe, I think it's Igwe that I heard. Igwe, can we see?
Yes, it just came out now. It's me. It's Igwe, sir.
Okay, cool,
Thank you.
Okay. Maybe it was. So thank you.
I have
Just
not
mute your
screen. No.
It could be your internet, please, because it's clear. It's clear on my end. It could be your internet. Please mute yourself.
I can see it now.
Okay, please. Thank you very much. Please mute yourself, please. Like this guy now, this trader, minimum to copy is 200. If you should copy with less than $200, there's a high probability you are going to lose money copying it. So you need to copy with $200 or above. Now, so far, he started trading this account since December 2024, and you can see he's been making profits every month. Some months he's been flat, like February this year, March this year, he didn't make much profit, but he's been making profit. Then October, he made about 71% on the account. Last month, which is November, he did 12%. This is December alone. December just started. This is the 2nd of December. He has done 3%. Now, heading down here, you see the followers count. And on this other side of the chart, you notice that he has about 34 active followers. Then this is where you have the risk history. Risk is medium, right? 3. So his risk exposure is medium. Maximum drawdown so far and for the last 1 year is 27%, right? And the total funds, the total money followers are copying him with is about $12,000, and he has made over $3,000 profit for them. And his commission is 30%. So if he makes $10 profit for you, is going to take $3 and keep $7. It's a fair deal. And this is basically how I check all of these things. You can also, if you want to go extra, you can go check the reviews, right? Some of them have reviews, some don't have. But I think the most important thing is always looking at this first page, the overview, reading all of these things. So this is how I do it. This guy is a good trader. I have a direct link to his this is portfolio, like this as account, right? So another trader I can use to do an example is this guy Face. For the last couple of months, he has made 50% ROI, and look at what he has here. Always make sure to read him. Always make sure to reach it. It's going to guide you on what to do. So he started trading this account August this year. So for the last 3 months, he's been making some good profits. 16% in September, October 17%, November 8%, and December he has made like 1% already. And today is 2nd December. Looking at the followers count, he has about 7 active followers. That's 7 active followers, and the risk history is low. His profile is low risk, and maximum drawdown so far and for the last 1 year is just 8%, right? And though for him you need a big capital to copy in. You need about $7,000 to copy his trades, and his commission is 5%. So it's pretty good. This kind of trader is good for guys that you are thinking long term, like you want to compound your profits for long term. So you can see the risk exposure is very low, and the commission also is very low. Just that you need a huge capital to copy this trader. So this is exactly how I go through. Like if you notice, I've gone through the profitability, the duration of trading, the risk exposure, the commission, and what else again? What is the fifth one? Who can remind me? What is the fifth one? Who can remind me? I talked about the risk exposure and followers. Yeah, followers. So that's exactly how I do for any trader I want to copy myself or I share with anyone to copy. So, and I have lots of profitable traders on this Market for You platform that I recommend to copy. I will just highlight it too. If you want more of my recommended traders and if you want me to guide you through on how to maybe copy trades and all of that, then I'll share a link in the comments soon. So you can just fill the form and someone from our team is going to call you to guide you through the process. So before I give room for questions, let me just share a few case studies of copiers, like people have recommended it to copy trading. And this is the first person. This is Kolawole. He earned about $107 in 30 days. And he traded, his capital was $998, $998, right? Not $1,000, $998. And he made $107 in less than 30 days copying trades. And Timothy earned about 50% of his deposit. His deposit was $118. Down here, you can see down here on the screenshot, $118. And he made about 64%, $64 as a profit. Kola Olakole did 40% of his deposit too. His deposit was $302 and made a profit of $122. Emmanuel earned $287 in less than 3 months. His capital was $806. You can see from the screenshot, it's a bit small. It's a bit small, but you can see down here on the screenshot, $806 deposit and a profit of $287. So before I start answering questions, let me just ask, I want to hear in the comments, what will you do with an extra $100 to $300 a month? Let's say you start copying trades today, and in the next 30 days or 60 days, you are seeing an extra $100 or $300 or $200 in your trading account as a profit. What are you going to do with that money? Let me know your response, your feedback inside the chat. Okay. Adeola says she is going to reinvest in Chiboy. Will be used to sign up for what? In message. Chiboy says he's going to use it for my online forex course. Okay. Dating December, Abi. Okay. Oh. All right. So I've heard all of that. That is good. That is all good. Now, if you have any questions, this is time to ask questions. We have spent about 39 minutes already. So, do you have any questions? Okay, Fashala says I'll reinvest. Great. All of you that are saying you are in reinvest, don't reinvest with the same trader. I'm giving you a hint now. If you want to reinvest, you don't reinvest with the same trader. You reinvest with another trader. Look for another good trader that is delivering good results too, and that is where you invest. So this helps in diversifying. So in case anything happens, you won't lose your entire funds. So okay. Questions? Do you have any questions? Let me hear your questions in the chats. All of you that was raising up your hands before now, let me hear your questions. Let me be reading your questions in the chats, drop it in the chats, so we can treat your questions live. Then, okay, maybe after now I can do a live demo on how to deposit money into your account, though that is pretty simple. It's just the same way you fund your wallet, your banking wallet. For example, for those of you that play sports betting, right? The same way you fund your BetNaija, Sporty app, which other one again? Is it NairaBet? This still have NairaBet. I don't know. I don't play sport betting. But the same way you fund those your wallets, it's the same way that you can fund your trading accounts. Any questions? If you have a question, please please drop it in the message so I can. Or except you are in a very quiet environment, like your background is not noisy, then you can unmute yourself and speak. But if your background is noisy, there's too much noise, please just send it in chat. I'm waiting for questions so we can wrap up and we can go rest for the day.
Good evening.
Yeah, good evening, sir.
Yeah, my question is this. Like you just mentioned two of those leading trader. Can we have their name on? Can we have them on the WhatsApp group so that somebody like me, if look into it, is something that I will invest on, then I can go ahead. Although I trade, but I still have some flops. So let me see if I can put on that and still monitor my trade.
Okay, that is good. Would you like a personalized guidance, like someone guiding you through it?
Sure.
Okay. So what I'm going to do is that I will drop a link also in the WhatsApp group, right? I'll drop a link there. It's just a small form. You fill the form. When you fill the form, someone from our team, someone from A Plus Trading Hub is going to call you. So that person will guide you on maybe how to position your portfolio. Let's say, for example, you have a good funds to copy trades. We are going to guide you and say, okay, this is how you split it. Copy this trader, copy trader A with so amount, copy trader B with so amount, just like that. So we are going to drop the names of these traders. So the best thing to do is if you need the names of these traders and the guardians, you fill that form. Immediately after this session, I'm going to drop that link, right? I think I should even drop it in the chat here. I can drop it in the chat here as well. Let me go look for it. Let me go grab it.
The WhatsApp group will be better for me, sir.
Okay, WhatsApp group will be better. Okay, I'll drop it there. I'll drop it there too. Any other question?
Hello.
Yeah, I can hear you.
Hello.
Yeah, I can hear you. Please speak.
Hello. Good evening.
Yeah, good evening, sir.
Thank you for the information.
Okay, sir.
Thank you for the information. How are you doing?
I'm great, sir.
My suggestion is that your copy trade, I mean your research, supposed to send it to the group on WhatsApp so that people will see it as a evidence that you are a professional trader. So that one will be advertise you to the people.
I've been posting.
I want you to send it to the group.
I don't know if
every month, so that people very soon I will join your copy trade because I'm looking for the money now. But very soon I will join your copy trade because I like the way you send out the percentage.
Okay.
I think you hear
that percentage. Yes, I can hear you, sir, very well. I can hear you very well, sir. I can hear you. The percentages you see on the group. Okay. Thank you, sir. The percentages you see that we post in the group are also performance of traders. So these are the results. I hope you asked about sharing the results in the group chat as well. So we post them from time to time. I know I don't do that every week, but I try to do it at least 2 times or 3 times in a month, right? So thank you very much for your question. If you have any other question, kindly drop it in the chat. What is the least amount you can invest? Okay, Adiola, it depends on the trader you want to copy. All right, so you can start with 50, you can start with 100 or 200. So what you need to do is just look at yourself and say, okay, I've seen this result, right? I've seen the results so far. I would love to, I can spare, let's say I can spare 200, I can spare $200, I can spare $300 with copy trading. So you need to think of that amount you are ready to spare for copy trading and you are good to go. But anything from $100 above, you should see a good trader to copy. There's some traders you can copy with 50, but they are very few. They are very few. But with $100 above, 200 above, you can see some good traders to copy. And Daniel is asking, are there traders that one can copy with small accounts? Yes, I just said that. Yes, there are traders who can copy with small accounts, like $20, $50. They are there, but there are very few on the platform because it's not easy to trade a small account and apply proper risk management. Right? I'm just being honest with you as an experienced trader. To trade a $20 account or a $10 account, there's no way you apply proper risk management on such an account. So, except you are using a cent account. Yes, Ajibola, it's very, very possible to withdraw every month. I love your questions. I thought I won't see any question about withdrawals. Yeah, you can withdraw any month, you can withdraw at any time, right? This is not Ponzi where they say, oh, you only withdraw on a certain day. No, anytime you see profits on your account, you can withdraw, even if it's 12 a.m., even if it's on a Sunday or on a Saturday, you can withdraw at any time. And withdrawal is fast, it is instant. Anytime I make withdrawal, it is always instant. It will drop your account and within 2-5 minutes, it will drop on your bank account or your crypto wallet if you are using crypto. So you can withdraw every month. How much is possible to withdraw every month? I can't tell you how much is possible. It depends on the trader you are copying. So the only thing I can say is that worst case scenario, you can see maybe 5% of your capital, right? So let's say if you are copying with 1,000, right? 5% of 1,000 is $50, right? So it all depends on the trader you are copying. It's relative. Okay, Chiboy says, hope I will be copying your own trade. Yes, you can also copy my own trade. Though at the moment, my account is not open for copying at the moment, but from the next month, that would be possible. I don't open up my account for copying every time. Sometimes I lock it so that I can focus and see how I can grow the small accounts there. Because you can actually copy my account with small capital, and it is crazy to trade that account. It is always crazy. Sometimes I abandon the account for like a week or two, and before I pay attention to it. About cent accounts, yes. Market for You offers cent accounts, like my Panda Broker Market offers cent accounts, right? And you can copy, yes, you can also copy with cent accounts. You can copy with cent accounts. Can't we have a community that copies you? Adiola, I don't understand your question. Can't we have a community? There's a community, the WhatsApp group. Yeah, withdrawal is fast, Ajibola. Withdrawal is fast. Withdrawal is fast, Ajibola. The questions are coming in. Okay. I know for sure questions are always progressive. Yes. Fashola, I like this question. Can I withdraw my capital whenever I want? Yes, you can withdraw your capital whenever you want. That is another benefit and beauty of copy trading. So you can decide to, if let's say you don't like the performance on the of the trader again, you can decide to stop copying immediately at any time and withdraw your capital and do something else. Or you can stop trading, stop copying that particular trader and copy another trader. Whatever you want to do, you can always do so. Okay. So it's been an insightful 50 minutes plus now. And I appreciate all of you all for staying up to this moment. This is not the end of it. If after we end this webinar, if you still have questions, you can send a WhatsApp message. You can send a WhatsApp message We are going to reply you. You can call our phone numbers. We are going to attend to you. So if you need a personalized guidance too, I'm going to drop that link in the chat immediately after this session. So you just fill the form, and starting from tomorrow, someone from our team is going to call you to help you, guide you on how to register an account if you don't have an account, guide you on how to make deposits, how to also find the best traders to copy, like a list of our recommended traders. So you pick a one that fits your capital and copy, and that will be it. If I connect account and I don't make profit over time. Emedion, this is your question. Okay, if I connect account and I don't make profit over time and I wish to withdraw, will I be charged for that? No, you won't be charged. Emedion, you won't be charged. That's a beautiful question too. So more questions, we send most questions to the WhatsApp, and we are going to answer. Thank you everyone for joining in. Do enjoy the rest of your evening.